How to enhance image using AI with Upscale Media. In order to do that, you just need to head over to Upscale Media right here, and then from in there, click on this upload image. So in here, I will upload in here an image that is actually really low quality, like this one. Then click on open, and then from in there, this will upload my image right here. As you can see, it's now processing. And then once it's done processing, as you can see, here's my image that is not upscale. And you can see in here a comparison of them upscaling it to around 2 times right here. This is a normal upscaling. This is the AI upscaling right here. You can see some details that actually draw or pans out. You can also choose in here to upscale, like for example, let's upscale it around 4 times. Then this will process your image again in order to see what it will look like. And then from there, just wait for this. And as you can see, here it is now. We can now see in here some real good upscaling. And then from there, you can head over and click on the sound image right here in order to download this particular image. So that's how you enhance image using AI with Upscale Media. Hope we help.